Have you ever experienced a road trip like this in India before?
You know, since I started out first as a model, when I was working here, I've traveled a lot, driven a lot from say Delhi to Jaipur or something for a show. Yesterday when we left, I thought that it's gonna be really tiring and 6 hours in the car, we're killing each other. But actually, it's a lot of fun.
Okay, and it's a lot of adventures in Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara.
Yeah.
Are you you've had enough? Are you sick of
Not
them?
at all. I'm dying to get on a bike. I look at the roads; it's so perfect and clear, no bumps. Look at this. I mean, this is perfect for a bike, and my producer is not giving me a bike.
Ritesh, and please.
I don't need that bike. Any bike.
Okay.
And can I sit behind you and we can share that right together?
You can if you want, but I assure you cannot be having this mic or the camera though.
That's
You'll have to
okay.
have both
That's
your
okay.
hands.
But that's a promise.
If my producer gets me a bike, I shall definitely take you. I've not been that much into things that somehow traditionally, people think girls are into shopping or handbags and shoes and those kind of things. I've never really been into. I mean, I do like being outdoor and I do like whether it's sports or like we're talking about the bike or something. So that is something I like to do. I would love to do an action film one day.
If you had to develop maybe a hobby over a road trip, like photography or anything, what would you like to click?
Photography is not bad. I'm trying to start a hobby or a class called road trip car dancing, but it's not going down too well. How to dance sitting down in a car so you can have fun. You tell stories, you play dumb charades. That's really fun with movie titles. I think it's best to play with movie titles. You listen to music, you fight about the music. I mean, that's pretty much what's going on right now.
I just interviewed Katrina and she's missing all you guys a lot. She's saying that you guys kicked her out.
No, we didn't kick her out. She was nice. She actually wanted to listen to some of her own music or something. We told her you can play it here, but she refused to play it here. And now she's just gone there into the other car and now she's ignoring us. So I don't know what to say. In fact, she's ignoring us. It's the other way around.
What's wrong with the music? With her music?
No, there's nothing wrong with the music. It's just that she was playing it. She was imagining in her head that we're not liking it. So I don't know what exactly happened. But there's an inquiry being set up. There's a CBI inquiry going into this. So hopefully in a couple of years we'll get to the bottom of it.
After a bumpy ride from Surat to Vadodara and exploring the highways of Gujarat, the cast of Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara now heads for film promotions to the malls of Ahmedabad. So I'm going to quickly go and follow them to complete the last leg of this road trip in the state of Gujarat.
Fun and games on the road took a serious note when fans in Ahmedabad went a bit overboard. And if you thought all this non-stop activity would take a toll on these actors, well, think again.
सब नहीं आएंगे इसमें. This is larger. आपका काम आज हम करें. यही तो है.
So first of all, how was this whole new experience of giving the toll and the new job that you've got? So
Just if you look behind me, it's like we tried, but there's a bit of a chaos. So we managed to give a few, I suppose, a few CDs, T-shirts we gave. But yeah, I think the poor guy was sitting in the booth, I think he's very frustrated at the fact that we just took over his seat.
Bidding adieu to Gujarat, it's now time to enthrall Rajasthan. Enter Udaipur.
It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
really
Very
is.
happy that we made it this far.
But you're
From,
absolutely right. Normally, when we see movies that are based in Rajasthan, we don't get to see this weather. But it's nice to see it like
Look at
this
that.
also. Very different.
And
My God, gorgeous.
so I'm from Udaipur. It's my hometown. So I'm gonna tell you guys how we welcome people in Rajasthan. We say Padharo sa.
Darosa.
Padharo sa. So do our travelers know what Rajasthan is all about? Something about Udaipur? Have you guys done your research?
Well,
Have you
A lot
done a
of sand,
research?
I think.
Every good traveler.
for me, it's turned from a road trip to a food trip. So now after having Gujarati food, we are really looking forward to some
No,
Rajasthani specialities. See, there's some lal mas.
Yeah. Yes. Lal mas is that meat. Very spicy.
Mas? Meat.
Lal mas.
And there's a dance in Rajasthan that is very famous called Ghumar. Ghumar.
Show us how to do it.
Yeah. Basically you go like this. You go like
Oh,
this.
so it's like picking stuff up and putting it on a
Also, picking up.
Okay.
Way to the world.
On the shoulder. Pick it
You have
up.
to move.
Way to the world. On the shoulder.
Pick it up.
Yeah.
That's the dance.
All right. So have a great time in Rajasthan. Yeah.
Thank you, man.